Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Jenshaw. I am a recent college grad just trying to navigate her way through life. I am back at my college apartment and I'm going to be here for a month. I have to move out at the end of this month, so I will be here until then. And y'all, when I tell you, when I came back yesterday, the state that I left my room in here when I came back, I was at home for a month. I went on a little family trip to Panama City Beach. It was great. And so I came back to, move out this month. And when I came back, the state of my room, after driving for hours, I come back to my apartment, open the door, go upstairs, open the door to my bedroom. And this is what it looked like. The state of mind that I was in when I left to go home at the beginning of June or the end of May was not a good one. I could barely pack, and the thing about me is that I never like to leave my room in a mess. Like if I'm traveling, I make sure that I clean my room up before I travel. I don't like leaving a dirty room behind, and I don't like coming back to a dirty room. But I was just in such a sad and depressed state of mind when I left my apartment that I didn't have the strength to clean. I mean, I had just spent the past couple of days stuck in bed, just devastated. So I just didn't have the strength to clean. And honestly, that has been my kind of, I don't know, what's the word? My emotional state for the past month, all of June. I've just kind of been stuck in this, I don't know, rut, in this depressive episode. Genesis is in her flop era. Okay, I'm joking, but I'm actually not. So this month, July, is dedicated to getting better and getting well and trying to lift myself out of this sadness that I'm in. So that's what we're doing. We are taking care of ourselves this month. We're taking care of our mind, we're taking care of our hearts, all of that good stuff. I now have to clean my depression room, and that's what I'm going to be doing this weekend. It's a holiday weekend, 4th of July weekend, so I thought I would take you guys along with me, and you guys can help me get my life back together. I started the laundry. I'm still gonna do laundry, but now I have to figure out what I'm going to eat for the next 2 weeks. I gotta go grocery shopping today. I have nothing here in this apartment but bread and creamer, which are two very important things, but are not going to sustain me for the next 2 weeks. I like to grocery shop every 2 weeks because, I don't know, I'm just one person, so, and then the grocery shopping every week is exhausting to me. Does anybody else feel like that, or is it just me? So what I like to do, the washing machine is so loud. Let me go pause it for a second, hold on. Sorry about that, okay. So when I'm grocery shopping, what I like to do is meal plan. So I'll pick out like lunch and dinner, a lunch and a dinner that I like to, that I want to eat, and then buy accordingly. I use Pinterest. I always use Pinterest. If you know me, you know I love Pinterest. I'm gonna try and find some meals for me to eat. If you're wondering what I'm looking at, it's my iPad. But yeah, follow me on Pinterest if you don't. I have all of my favorite like recipes on my Pinterest. which is basically like 30 different ways to make salmon. That's basically what my recipes are. I'm also trying to be a little bit more healthy in what I eat, because your girl is putting on the pounds. It's true, it's true. I am. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna eat, and then I'll probably do like a Instacart online order for my groceries, or I'll go pick it up. Either one. And then I'll get back to you guys. Okay. Okay, I am dressed and ready. We're about to go run some errands. I need to pick up some stuff for a baby shower I'm going to today, and then I need to pick up the groceries that I did the online order for, the pickup order for. And so yeah, got all dressed and ready. Did I have like a 10-minute emotional breakdown? Yes, but we got up and we got ready, so that's all that matters. So I need to do a couple more things. I need to brush my teeth before I head out, and I need to put some oil in my hair. If you have braids, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, I like to use the Miel, is that how you say this? Rosemary mint scalp oil. So now I'm going to put another load of laundry in, and then we can head out to, I think we're going to Target first, so we can do that now. Okay. All these boxes that I have yet to take out of my car. We love that. We have the groceries. I'm recording on my phone, so if the quality is bad, that's why. We got grapes, sweet potatoes, because I love to bake these. Got 2 avocados. My fingernail is broken. Let me switch that. Hold on. Okay. 2 avocados, salmon, sausage, because I like to eat sausage with my sweet potatoes. It's good. Don't knock it till you try it. Tomatoes, broccoli, cucumbers, feta cheese. I'm gonna be making a Greek salad, so I have feta cheese, the spring mix, black beans and olives, eggs, blueberries, and some lettuce, because I'm gonna be making tuna wraps. I love those. And yeah, it's not a lot. I probably will go pick up some more stuff tomorrow, but yeah, I'm gonna put all this away now, and I'll get back to you guys. location unlocked. I don't think I've ever sat here before. I know I've sat over there for one video, but not right here. This is interesting. Hello, today is Thursday. It's probably been one of the best days that I've had in a while. And that's a huge thing to say. I'm sitting right in front of the window to my house, well, my apartment, and like I can see people as they walk past, and I know they can't see me. So this is interesting. Yeah, so today is a Thursday. Last time I talked to you guys, it was Saturday, and I was going through my groceries. So Sunday, I went to church, and that was pretty great. Left crying. I just want to say that God is speaking. God still speaks, and God still answers your prayers. And so I don't know if you're praying for something or if you're wanting God to speak to you or speak to your heart. He is still speaking, and he is still answering prayers. He is speaking through dreams. He's speaking through people. He's speaking through his word. If you will ask, like if you will pray to him and ask him, God, speak to me, and then begin to listen, he will really speak to you. Church is really good. And then Monday started out fine, and then I got really sick. Like by the end of the night Monday, I had a fever of like 100. I had muscle aches and like pains all down my legs, all over my body, my back. It was really bad. And it came out of nowhere. It really came out of nowhere. So Tuesday I was out. Like I didn't leave my bed on Tuesday. It felt like I got hit by a bus. That's what that felt like. It was really bad. So you know, so I was pretty sick on Tuesday. Well, I was pretty sick Monday evening and Tuesday. And then yesterday, Wednesday, I was starting to feel better. So I got up and I did some cleaning. And my room looks a lot better than it did at the start of this video, okay? It's still, everything that I have is in bags and stuff because I am moving out, like I said in the beginning of this video. So there are lots of bags and like suitcases and stuff. But for the most part, it looks a lot better. So I'm just gonna continue to clean as much as I can as I go. It's hard to clean and pack at the same time. If you know, you know. So today I feel a lot better. I'm still like battling my sinuses. It's so bad. I haven't slept the past 2 nights because my sinus is so bad. You can probably like tell by the way I look and then by how I sound. My sinus is killing me. So I am slowly recovering, but I am recovering. As you saw today, I got up, went for a walk, went to my first therapy session with BetterHelp. It was a chat session. It was a chat session, so I didn't really have to talk or anything, but it was really good. And then I went out to lunch, and then I got on a Zoom call with a friend. And now we're here. I definitely feel a lot better now than I did when I started this video. I can say that I really got my excitement back for life. My life does feel a lot more together, but also my mind feels a lot more together. I just want to encourage anybody that's also going through a little rut or having a bit of a depressive episode or a hard season. Man, if you can, take the time to get better. Take the time to get well. It's so funny because currently the blog that I write this season, this summer, our topic is wellness. And it's exactly the topic that I need to hear, which is hilarious. I am writing about the things that I'm also going through, which I always do. So yeah, don't ever be afraid to do what you need to do to make sure that you're in the right mindset and that you're in the right headspace. And I'm so glad that I did that. I'm so glad that I came back to my apartment, and I'm dedicating this month to getting well, and I feel so much better already. So I am going to spend the rest of the day probably just chilling. Probably not. I'll probably get on my laptop and do some work. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more lifestyle content and more content about life. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned because it's gonna be summer content. It's coming. It's gonna be so much fun. I don't know. So yeah, make sure you again like, comment, and subscribe. Mostly subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.